Hi Nathan, hi Amanda. I spoke with Amanda briefly last week. This is Jackie out with Maxhouse Marketing, and I had let her know I was going to shoot this 5-minute custom video of a website audit for you and shoot it over to you. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. First things first, I'm going to Google HVAC companies in Dallas, Texas. This top section up here is sponsored, so these people are paying for ads, so they're paying to be here. This section begins the Google My Business Map Pack section. If you're not part of that, we'd go ahead and add you to it. A lot of times it goes hand in hand with how you're ranking and how your website is ranking. This down here begins the organic section, so this is where the actual ranking begins. So throughout the duration of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and compare yours to the #1 spot for HVAC companies, Dallas, Texas. I know y'all are in Terrell, but I'm going to go ahead and just use this for a general concept. So first things first, I'm going to talk about content. So what is content? Content is essentially any verbiage or wording throughout your website. We're going to focus specifically on the homepage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab all of the content off of your homepage, and I am going to place it into a word counting tool. So as you can see, Bigger Brothers has about 1,800 words of content on their homepage. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same for yours. So let's go ahead and grab all of that, put it in there. You have about 584 words of content on your homepage. So Google actually recommends us having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. The reason being is that this provides 1,000 to 2,000 more opportunities for us to slide in those keywords, those high volume keywords, to populate you in more Google searches. So that leads me to our second topic. What is a keyword? So keywords are essentially these little phrases that we place into Google to populate you. So the theory behind this, the logic, is that we do research on which of these keywords are the highest searched in your area for your service, and we incorporate those into the content placed on your website, which brings you up in more Google searches. So the way I look more into that is I grabbed each of your websites and I'm going to place it into a tool that I use called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is essentially an online website auditing tool. So I want you to briefly look at this for a second, their traffic value, their keywords, their backlinks, and then look at yours. So there's definitely a discrepancy, but that also means room for improvement. So I'm going to go ahead and look at their keywords and see what they have. So things like air conditioning repair Dallas, HVAC repair Dallas, AC repair Dallas. So all of those are really good keywords because they have the location attached. I want you to take a look at this top one, central air conditioning repair. Although it has a super high search volume, it's a nationwide keyword. What this means is it doesn't have a location attached. So someone in Oregon, per se, could Google that and it would possibly bring up this website. Is that going to get you a customer? Is it going to make you money? Probably not. Unless you plan on hopping on a plane, flying to Oregon, servicing that customer, it's not really the kind of traffic we want to generate. We want to focus specifically on your area and the areas that you service, and we want to bring in those customers. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at your keywords and see what you have. So you have Terrell Heating and Air, Terrell Air Conditioning, Terrell's Heating and Air, Air Conditioning Repair Forney, AC Repair Forney. So you have a couple, but there's a lot more that we could do with all those surrounding towns, and suburbs, areas, neighborhoods, etc. So we could definitely generate you in a lot more Google searches in that aspect. So the third thing that I am going to talk about are backlinks. So what is a backlink? A backlink is essentially anywhere on the internet where this website is placed. So somewhere throughout the internet, this website is placed 87 times. So what does that do for us? It's essentially publicity in a way. It provides 87 more opportunities for us to be seen, to gain traffic, etc. You have 56. So what I want to point out is not all backlinks are created equal. We don't have to beat this number to outrank them. You can do higher quality, stronger power backlinks, which is what we go for. So what you do is we go ahead and we'd add you to all of the backlinks that they have that are quality. And that'd put us on an even playing field backlink wise, and then we'd go back month after month and continue adding and adding, and that's how you begin climbing the rank. Anyways, Nathan and Amanda, I hope that this video was informative for you. Of course, feel free to incorporate these tips on your own, or as always, please reach out to me for more information. I'd love to work with you, help you, and guide you in any way that I can. Thanks. Have a great day.